Will that be pudding? You are the first one. How are you doing? How was your day? What did you do all day? What we are gonna do today is start on the second map. Hello, Shadow. How are you doing? What are you doing? Haven't seen you in ages. Ah yes, a bug. The Mr. Assassin. Hello. My day was pretty chill. Can't complain. Was a pretty solid day. What I definitely want is more variety in the landscape. Oh, my camera is not working? Please hold the line. There we are. Even can put on something with more light. There we go. Can't hide my face. Because I was told, if you want to sell a product, you need to attach your face to it. There's no point in hiding, that's true. Just a little bit. I mean, it's a coastline, right? Don't go too fancy. Or better said, it's part of a coastline. A coastline. A random fact. I'm not prepared and you knew it. You knew it! Just hang on. I got this. I got this. A random fact, please. Oh my god, I can't find them. I really need a shortcut to them. Hang on. Hydrate, that's a good idea. It's probably just brain malfunction. We get this, we get this. Random facts, there we are, I got them. No, no. The longest wedding wheel ever, well, the longest wedding wheel ever worn was 23,000 feet long, or in real numbers, 7,010 meters. Now you know. Now let's hydrate. That is very long. Here we get our hydrate in. So yeah, it says, and what's next on your stream? The wedding wheel. I don't. That's how it's written down here, so it must be true. Hello, Arte. Bale, Veal, Vile, whatever. So let's start on the shoutout front. Let's start with the streamer where I contributed most of the clips.
Happy now.
Not one of mine.
Are you happy? Satisfied now, Metal? Are you really satisfied now? We were doing the rave rights. Are you really satisfied now? Even more rave rights? Oh, even better. Are you even more satisfied now?
How many glasses do you have around?
No.
How long is this clip?
If you were paying attention, you would know what I was doing.
I remember this game. And a shout out to Arte, who doesn't have clips. I should make some clips. We have something to shout out. But Arte is making his own game and his own engine, which is mad impressive. Yes, that's a new level. Ah, right. That's an issue. The crashes are not fixed. I just saw a really good random fact. By accident. Thank you, Weepuddin. The longest word you can type with only your left hand is stewardess. Alright, let's see if we've saved at least something. No, we didn't, okay. Cool. Yeah, if it crashes again, we start on the Blender stuff. And I really need to figure out what's going on there. Stewardesses. Okay, Mom. But who needs more than one stewardess? Have you seen how small those toilets are? Yeah, they can fit 2 people in there. A language switch, holy. I'm doing well, I just need to find my phone for the timer, because we are about to speak a few minutes of German. Yes, yes, yes. Let's do this. So I never checked if White Death translates it. Probably not. We're gonna stopwatch. And we start jetzt. Du solltest nicht fähig sein, es nochmal zurück zu switchen. Es müsste ein Timer drauf sein. Wie wären 10%? Ja, also da ist definitiv ein. Ich glaube, weil 2 Leute es mal aktiviert haben, haben wir das geändert seinerzeit. Ja, wenn ihr zusammenlegt, könnten wir wahrscheinlich sehr lange sehr viel Deutsch reden. Is. Willkommen. Wie geht es dir? Ich hoffe, dir geht es gut. Was macht das Leben? Was macht das Projekt? Beantworte alle meine Fragen, sobald du rausbekommen hast, was sie heißen. Das stimmt, ja. Das ist wahr. Das ist ein bisschen Arbeit. Also machen wir nicht alles für die Fans. Die Fans. Denk doch an die Fans, Mann. Und dann machen wir das ein bisschen weicher. Oh. Entschuldigung. Scheiße. Hat Google nicht eine automatische Funktion mittlerweile? Zumindest glaube ich das. Ja? Siehst du? Brauchen wir uns ja gar keine Sorgen mehr machen. Können wir den ganzen Tag Deutsch reden. Schad. Das ist ein sehr altes Wort, das du dir da rausgesucht hast. Nein? Was nein? Du musst dich schon entscheiden. So, dann machen wir das hier ein bisschen weichzeichnen. Wäre wahrscheinlich ein sehr gutes AI-Feature. Oder KI, wie wir in Deutsch sagen. Künstliche Intelligenz. So wie auch im Bundestag. Die Intelligenz sucht man vergebens. Das könnte ich versuchen, ja. Stimmt. Sehe ich jetzt aber nicht so. Nicht unbedingt. Für alle, die besorgt sind, es sind noch 30 Sekunden. So, müssen wir das hier planieren. 10 Sekunden, ihr habt es fast geschafft. So. So ist das doch ganz schön. Und wir dann? Congratulations. You survived 5 minutes of German. Proud of you all. So what is going on in your lives? What are you planning to do today? I mean, if we make like a smooth hill, it could work. Like, you walking well. Yes, with the remaining 1 hour and 45 minutes. So your bedtime starts when you are cold? It's an odd way to measure that. Most people go to bed when they're tired. Just saying, maybe you try this. Oh no, low blood pressure. At least my first thought. Drinking coffee helps. Once by the temperature lowers, you should go to bed. Therefore, it's nice to bed once you're getting cold. So today it crossed my mind that I should leave my job and study. Was one of those intrusive thoughts. Yeah, go to university and study. Well, I probably go the route of not interacting with people and doing it online, but maybe I do parallel to school, yes, to work. I work parallel to university. So yeah, that was a thought that crossed my mind. If the thought tomorrow is still there, we will have a look. And the thought is next week still there. I plan through, and if it's still there in a month, we might take action. Mr. Mavis, that's early for you. I am impressed. I'm happy and delighted to see you. Now Mavis wants to say he's not himself today. It's 5:18 AM. Did you need to straighten some sheets or what's going on? PM, okay. Oh, yeah, I need to watch this Mavis stream where this musician appeared out of nowhere. Daylight savings. Now, what was the musician's name? Deadmau5? Was it Deadmau5? Deadmau5, which I think means Deadmau5. Because it's lead speak and cool with the youth. No, Deadmau5 just randomly appeared in a stream. Which he told me very excited, and I was like, who? And I could see the disappointment in his face. Just undermined his... It was really weird. I mean, yeah, if you know who he is, right? Then it's probably very exciting. Probably like John Romero showing up in my stream. Well, excuse me, he's not even in the slightest in my... I guess he didn't exist when I had my electronic house music phase. He's making house music, isn't he? He did. What is he doing now? Jingles for exterminators? Yes, I think that was funny. Excuse me. Humor is when one person laughs. The same as Scooter. Oh, right. Nothing? Is Scooter still doing music? I don't know. No, they do. You know what's confusing about music? A lot. But most importantly, every time I tell people that I'm from Germany, they have something to say about Rammstein. Like, hey, what's your favorite Rammstein song? And my brain goes literally, just say the first thing is the first song you can remember. And then I'm sitting there, and suddenly it's really hard to remember any of the songs. Like right now, I couldn't come up with one off my head. Mutter. Oh, took a while. The best song of Nina Hagen. Didn't even know Nina Hagen is a musician. Is she? I just thought she was an actress. Fucking. Hansi Hinterseer. Yeah, the best song of Nina Hagen is In Ekstase. Great song, 1983. Hansi Hinterseer. Yeah, I know this guy. I've seen him. And I thought he was a moderator. But he's apparently also a musician. I'm not good at this. Can we switch the topic? Let's talk about Mavis kids. 5-year-old just dropped the freaking juice. So damn big. I asked if she was okay. Is she okay? She is infected. That's good to hear. Just reminded me of the thing Shadow once said. Wait, what's going on about the $5 he found? That was good. And I was like, healthy child, great girlfriend, $5, best thing ever happened. Ada, what are you doing for your schoolwork? What kind of magic? Shano 4D. Piano? I am in fact well, yes. So how is it pronounced? Is it Ciano or Sano? Sano? And is the 4 an A? Now the questions emerge. Holy Sean. Sean O? 4D? Yeah, right, you stream as well, so we can give you a shout out. Yeah, we can go in the second round of shoutouts. D and O 4D. Sean O40. See, I figured it out. Sean O. Let's just call you Sean. So let me shout out Mavis first, cause that's always entertaining and pisses off White Dev.
Mavis, I must walk my dojo. Heard that. Eat and rest. Sweetie, I appreciate you coming and hanging out. Thank you. Yeah. Huh? Which one? Huh? I don't know. I don't even know which voice. You're gonna have to clip it for me to even know which one you're talking about. I'm ridiculous. I must walk my doge. The girl sounding one?
And a Mando reroll? Yeah, me too. That's a crash of my engine. Cool. Mabuz Games. Let's find out. Are you sleeping?
Damn, that's the biggest dick I ever saw. Like,
what happened there? And as I actually saved shortly before I got into the chat, and now we do Sean. Let's see if Sean has some clips. Please hang on. Well. No problem, so I missed the whole shoutout. But I hope it was fun. Send and restart. Holy That's a lot of money. Where do people get so much money to throw on streamers? And where are they now? So let me finish the hydrate. Crazy stuff. So we got a few shoutouts done. Alright, so we have this, then we actually can start on the landscape material. You make the kids some dinner. Landscape. That's the main menu, and that's... Well, it's 6 PM. I absolutely hate the system for those. But it's the best one we got so far, so. Create landscape brush. Oh, PM is afternoon. AM is the other one. What happened? Okay. Well, that's why I always say, yeah, you can use some universal. I mean, it's America, right? They also have weird metrics, non-metric systems. Why the f does it paint the... Oh. On. My mistake. I don't think they will. Yeah, they could just use the 24-hour clock, right? Can agree on that. And then everyone would be like, oh yeah, it's called Imperial, or ChatGPT know it as retarded units. Yes. That's why people always say it's so and so much feed on real units. That's what I was looking for. Now we should be able to attach this. No. Are you serious? Why does it always attach it to those? Ugh. I don't know, man. I don't know. If I place it right here, should place it on the landscape. But for some f***ed up reason, it puts it on the road. you know what? Then can just mission underscore 2. There we go. Probably need to smooth this out a bit. Because those things are as big as houses. Go. Another hydrate? What is your game plan? Is an assassination? If you want to make me pee early, you might get lucky. So Assassin, what is the plan for the next stream? If you answered this already, because I know I asked earlier, then you can just point out the answer, or you type it again. When is your next stream and what will we see? What will we do? Is it a marble stream? Marble stream already? Oh, was that for me? No, it was for Mr. Assassin. Yeah, when is your next stream, Sean? Crunching pizza. How crunchy is the pizza that you don't hear my voice punching through that? Are you sure it's not charcoal? I have a soft voice. I never heard this one before, but I allow it. Oh, that sounds nice. Having a little boost is always good. So when will you release it? Or will you even release it? Maybe it wasn't the plan all along. Of course, the good old passport renewal trap. Alright. Landscape layer paint. Paid for level Opus license. Okay, I didn't know that as well. That's the correct sentence. So where are you from? If I asked. If I can ask. How's my game going? Well, you know, typical stuff. Mechanics slowly growing. I had to rework the truck completely. But now we have a new and better truck that is much more optimized. UK. So we had a sprint goal. Didn't work out. We are we didn't do anything. We had the sprint goal was make the cars drivable. I mean they drive, but make them so that you can jump in and the MG mows down your enemies. But now we have a main menu and options. You know how it goes. I went like, okay, we clearly take a left turn there and point it to the right. Yeah, but I mean, I'm happy I did it. No. Because it had to be done. What the f? No info assigned? Hey, what? There we go. That's what they call wave sand, right? I mean, I made a brush, but still. Yeah, but next sprint, so it is... Wait, next stream is... The next stream is on the 19th, so the next update will be on the 26th, which will not be very exciting for most people. Unless you're a game dev and you are like, damn, you have a main menu. Holy. And it works. Just need to tweak the camera rails and stuff, and then you're done. There's still a few functions missing, sure. But it's more exciting than just starting the game. And next sprint will be the vehicles, I swear. Or what do you think, Shadow? What do you think will sidetrack us immensely? That's true. I have no idea what just happened. Oh. That happened. Oh, that might have fixed my main menu bug. But I can check this later. Don't worry, I will replace this with some really cool stuff. It will not stay like this. I'm painting on the wrong layer, don't I? Of course I do. I know. Okay. Yeah, I need to fix this. At some point. It's great dynamic. A little bit of this. I will use the asphalt brush, but we need to remember to make this a little bit more foresty. Oh. See what spaghetti sticks. It's pretty accurate. Okay, let's save this for now. Look into the materials. So I might can replace this one already. Yes, definitely. But let me think. Was it the one with the interesting color palette? Oh, can I have a look?
Super Mario Galaxy! Cut before it doesn't do pretty arc. Looking for.
I think it wasn't. What is this? Ah, right, the chest.
Following.
Now blue and yellow. We also played Dark Souls. Alright. Yeah, it was the monkey ball thingy, right?
How dare you!
Yeah, last time I checked in, you were watching a stream on your stream of somebody playing Dark Souls.
How dare you!
And I was like, I wouldn't even watch someone play Dark Souls. I probably don't watch someone watching someone playing Dark Souls. So yeah, that's a pretty good way of getting rid of me. Terrible for streaming. Okay, never happens to me. And it can also be very fun. ADHD, okay. Ah. Know what? We take a short break. About getting sidetracked, I wanted to do something totally different. I wanted to look into my materials and the landscape material and into this one, and then we wanted to replace this one with not taking a break apparently. What was it? Brush? Or what other words are there? Grass. Dirty grass sys. Grass plane 01 looks sweet. Oh. Okay. So save, let's see. I choose the same grass again. And we're smart like that. I could have seen this, right? Ooh. Yeah, should work. I will probably take on the plaster one and change this as well to, what was it, dry? Dirty? Dirty grass. Could go with the noise through. And just smooth this out at the end. Ooh. What I also could do, put this on 3 and see what happens. That's, what's that, a level for ants? Oof. It gets worse, okay. Hey Rose. I don't have a translator here. It's probably hello. Hi. You need 2 signs for hi. Genius. Yeah, I got it from the context. OG, you too? Damn, that's deep. Yeah, you're right. Ah, that's absolutely correct. Yeah, I also need 2 signs. I mean, the rest will be covered in trees. There will be a parking spot here. Oh, what do we see here? So, Rose, how did your stream end? Did you finish everything you wanted to do? The physics settings. Oh, you're working on this bug now. Okay. Wait, you want... Okay. I'm curious. Onion? Or is it more onion? Onion. Yes, Rose is indeed a game dev. Making a escape room game. I barely speak my own language. Oh, you know what? I can't even write translate and try to teach me Korean now. Okay. It's not the same, you said. Yes, it is. Oh my god, why is it in Korean?
번역,
Onyo?
번역, 번역, 번역,
Onyo?
번역,
Onyo?
번역, 번역,
Onyo? Getting close. Onyo? Or Onyo? So why is it Anya with you and it tells me it's Anya? It's a lot of text. Anya? Ah. Ah. Anya? I can remember that probably. Then the only thing I ever can tell you face to face is hi. That sound like a nervous teenager. Anya. Oh. He translated translate. That's okay. Yeah, I just noticed that. I didn't type that. I wouldn't even know how to type that. Oh yeah, let me just type that. And then he says 안녕.
안녕,
안녕?
안녕,
안녕. Why does it sound more aggressive on the second time?
안녕,
Hey, calm down, Google.
안녕,
So, but now I will have my short break because someone, Mr. Assassin, filled me up with water. Yes, that's why I'm brushing up on my Korean. I know hi now. But we're getting there. I just come into your chat and write onion and we have an inside joke. Alright, I will be back in like 5 minutes max. Be right back. Well, I'm back and I have a coffee. I didn't add the bean up. Make sure of it. So, this is scary. It wants me to log in. I don't know what is scary. Oh, it can generate blueprint code. Coffee is not water. Well, there are like 4 types of drinks I drink, right? And one of them is water. The others are made from water. No, it's water. It's energy drinks. Our lovely bean juice. Coffee. And protein shakes. Well, they don't even have this much sugar, right? Nice weather we are having. It's getting springy. Don't forget to brush your teeth, kids. Yes, I know that coffee dehydrates me, that's why I'm drinking water and coffee. Well, you see, they're weak. I'm strong. Okay. Don't you worry about me. Actually, a quirk I have, I don't drink my first coffee until I'm awake for an hour and drank half a bottle of water. Yes, it's sugar water. Why not drawing? Right, because it's on the wrong layer. Oh, there we go. Brush settings. Wait. Rose, how is your game coming along? Do you have some code already, or are you still working on the models? Yeah? You know what, let's hit this with a little bit of that's maybe a bit too much. Get a sharper edge. Hydro erosion. Yeah. Definitely need some trees around here. But I guess we can do this in the next stream. Play around with the foliage. But we can probably make this a little bit more pretty. A little bit more pretty. Do we have some rough rock material? That one. Gosh. T rocks 01. E_rocks01. Now we are talking. There's something wrong with this material. See how shiny it is? I mean, sure it's underwater, but I really wish I would know what I'm doing here. Yeah, I think it's the roughness map. I just put in the wrong texture. Yeah. I put in the height map and that was the whole issue. Got this, got this. I wish this was Blender. I could make so cool stuff in Blender. Wait a second. Those are the normal maps. Why are they not the normal? Oh, no. What did I do? Yeah, that's gonna take a moment. Rose, have you seen my materials in Blender? They are amazing! And now I don't like the texture anymore. Now the hassle begins. Lava rock? Mossy rock? Let's go with lava rock. Yes, materials is fun. Lava. But not in this. Not here. Not in Unreal. I wish there would be a preview for this. There apparently is. Oh, that's now we are talking. Just need to blend them a little bit better. Wait. This one or this one? Or in general? Which one? Which ground? So many ground. So let's... Alright. Is it off the edge? Alright, yeah. I really like it. Let them bleed into each other a little bit. Damn! It's kinda pretty. But I have not enough experience to be like, oh yeah, let's just click, and here you have your ultra realistic 8K ultra material stuff. But yeah, we get there when we get there. Oh, that was the wrong layer. This layer apparently. with some trees. I also want to please a grass. Right, I draw the same grass on this grass. That might be an issue. Yes, it is indeed a sunny day at the bit. I'm sorry about that. Wait, Dev, I'm really sorry. Yeah, it's a sunny day at the beach. That's a sentence. I said the wrong B word when I wanted to say beach. Yeah, maybe we can cut a joke in there. It wasn't beautiful. Why is it so not good? Why is it not blending? They've worked myself before bed. Have a good evening there. Will you stream, Arte? I hate it. No, you don't. Like it. Yes, alright. I will probably catch you there. Because that's the thing we do around here. Our incestuous death bubble. So I catch you later in your stream. So does anyone want to know what happens in this mission here? Or are we just implying I know what I'm doing? Yeah, that's yes, that's part of it. There's even a funny joke in here. So not now, but there will be in dialogue. Reminds me. I really should have decided on which layer I'm painting. Because that's getting hideous now. I know this layer is locked, I just did that. Actually no. So you will start here, right? With your little vehicle. And you are tasked to save 2 soldiers. They are trapped here. And then you fight to free them, and then you're informed that there will be a counteroffensive. I mean, you need to prepare your defenses. And then the sniper of the team you saved says, yeah, there's something like a holy site nearby, but it's just a tourist attraction, which is a concept they don't understand, right? Because if they go somewhere, it's a holy site. And they suspect it's for some kind of water god, because it's close to the water. But it's just a tourist trap. Actually based on Land's End. That's not what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. The Land's End Hotel. 145 bucks for like nothing. There's like nothing there. I can prove that. On wool maps. So there's like nothing here except this. Which in the context, if you don't know that people are stupid and just literally drive here to be here, you would think, yeah, it could be an holy site or something. But it's literally just a museum, I think. There are hotels, and that's the little house we are seeing on the map. Represented there. And we have this entrance area. Then you have this. Now today he was watching anime news and I was hella confused, right? Because there was like a anime where a guy gets killed and reincarnated as a soda machine in a fantasy world. And you know what's the worst part? It wasn't even the weirdest thing I heard in this show. Where's my brush fall off? Oh, there it is. So the weirdest anime today I was introduced to, I don't remember the name. Practical NPC with a rate of 6 people. 6! That's more than 5 for everyone who isn't aware of that. How was your stream? How is your Ghost game going? Did you implement more jumps I will never make? Like all of them so far. Probably. So, how was your stream? Tell me, what did you do? Unless of course you have to dash because there's stuff. Alright, take care of this. Mr. Grumble. It's an honor to have you here. Grumble is, I can give you a shout out and Practical first, of course. So Practical is making a platformer game where you're a ghost.
What I think we could do is actually make player exited orb, like all of this kind of stuff. We can actually, we can make these objects independent of each other. Usually how I go about things is I have our player handle like all collisions, but lately what I've been doing is, yeah, having like other things manipulate our player, which is, it's not ideal because then...
Okay, that was a weird clip. It's going pretty well. We are working on the second mission. We boxed it out, we did a little bit of landscaping. We had 2 engine crashes so far. And now we're doing a little bit of landscape painting. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So let me give you a shout out. Grumble is making a platformer where you are bad.
Full stack, I should say. I'm like the opposite of you. I think like if I was to try to get another job, I would try to do just only front end. Cause I find it, I don't know, I like it a little more. Although I don't know, I like both. I just feel like I'm much better at front end stuff. You know, I love all the JavaScript dumpster fire frameworks.
Chrome speak. Yeah, so like all the dumpster fire frameworks, that's good. People like you are needed in the trenches of the front end developments. Come on. Pitches are so hard. Well, they will be covered by trees, so who knows? So Grumble, do you have a schedule? Because it appears like I catch you on random all the time. You're asking the hard questions. You don't have to answer if you want to keep it a secret. Six to 9 CST. What is this in real time? Six. Is that AM? Morning, yes. That's like 12 to 3. Is that right? Yes, CST. So I rarely catch you then. Except it's PM and I'm an idiot. Because this would explain why I have seen your streams. So let's try this again. From 6, which is... Yes, early in the morning. So you have some sort of schedule. 6 AM CST. It's 12 PM. That's for me. Welcome back, Practical. Probably also have a real name. I never bothered to ask. Oh, that's such a hard age. Stream is going good. We had some fun, we giggled a lot. I didn't curse as much as I usually do, which is a big step in the right direction, I think. Getting much more chill, you know. Yeah, we did a little bit of map. Yeah. I mean, you should watch me doing Blender. There we go. Actually, we have like 20 minutes left, but I don't want to start on the foliage because then I need to open a project. I need to find some trees. I just want to have fun. So if you have any questions, I can show you the other mission. How about that, huh? You have some time? I should load the other mission then. I'm a professional, by the way. Welcome back, Rose. So yeah, let's just load the main menu and we see what's going on, right? What is DevRow even working on? It's a video game with a lot of errors, but we're working on it. Be aware. So that's my main menu so far. It will be much cooler soon. Because currently we work at stuff like this. Camera zooms are cool. They don't do main menus like this anymore. So yeah, let's just start the first mission then. Here we are in the first mission. You have those two people. They also can go inside the car. And the car doesn't move when there's nobody in there. I need to translate some Korean. Please hold the line. It just tells me, okay, it's Yao. How is this a typo? It's a completely different drawing. Oh. So yeah, let's go on with. Oh, alright. So yeah, and then you walk across the map. You have your goals you need to achieve, like defend the landing zone, defeat all enemies. Now we are so long in this level that I don't know where the enemy ran. And we have a crash. That's my engine. And not yet, the containers are not implemented yet. Yeah, and then you basically go on a base RTS. Yes, that sounds very Spanish. Lol. KK. Those are two different meanings. I mean, KK means as much as okay, and LOL means laughing out loud. What is this? So yeah, let's try again to finish this mission. So I guess there's something wrong with my graphics card driver. Because it happened after I updated. So we need to move quickly, because he's right there. Now we can go to the next level. This is the level we're working on. Oh, that's a laughing sound, alright. That's a starting helicopter, I guess. Because they make whoa 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 whoa. I learned Korean. You have a question, ask a question. Can probably answer them. I know the game a little bit. Yeah, there's still this weird error here. Let's see if we can fix this. Yes, I will. I will make it layered. Which is... that's the wrong thing. a whole different topic, because then I need basically to rework the brush how it is implemented. That's why I was looking into if I can have material functions do that whole blend space for me. But I didn't get far. I have no idea why is this doing this. Or not. There's so much wrong with it. If you go 3D, right, there's so much stuff. I see why people tend to... Oh. Mm-hmm. I have no clue why it's doing that. I will probably never find out. So yeah, the texture repetition will be fixed. I basically will just overlay the same texture in different scales. And then it should fix that on its own. Which is how we do it in Blender. It should work here as well. But I really need to find the video tutorial where he explained this really good. How to do it. Which Discord? Your Discord? My Discord? So many Discords. Yo, what's going on? General. That's probably exactly the tutorial I was referring to. That's not the one I was referring to. But yeah, that's the same technique. I really need to look for the other one, because he also shows different techniques that might help you as well. So I will...
Now let's name it as, and remember, since we were using what TB channels, so if you see the before and after.
Oh, I think this is it.
Landscapes. They are Megascans is a it just breaks up, and here it's before macro variation and now
Macro variation, that's the one.
Take
it right back to you.
That is such an improvement. The
That's really good.
looking a lot more realistic. Just
Go with macro variation.
the difference through this entire landscape and paint.
It's such an improvement.
Spots. But that would take way too long. So instead, what I will do is use this Perlin noise texture in my starter content. Drag it in
I
my
also could
landscape,
go for auto materials,
set up
but
the
they are
landscape
such a
boards.
pain in the ass to set up.
In this tutorial, we will create a material that will, in seconds, turn our landscapes from looking like this to this. And the reason why this looks so much more realistic is because in real life, landscapes change materials depending on slope.
No
So
more
if you have a
text.
sharp fall off, you won't create grass.
Hey guys, in this video,
Tile
we
breaker
will do a
method.
method for avoiding texture rip. The first thing we want to do is to map a small noise on the surface. Something like ocean or bird noise will be fine. We can compute them procedurally in shader or take them from a texture. This texture should be not for the top. It is 1 range. Now we can potentially turn up this optimization in anterior distance.
I see.
Now we need an alternating mask that alternates on dot status at each quantized step. To obtain that, this way, and combine everything in a zero mask. This is our
That's what I don't like about the Unreal node system.
Wherever the video, you can imagine the texture like having multiple versions of its tile number.
That you need like 800 nodes to rotate
And
one
it's
tile by
there will
90
be some
degrees.
use another data to decide which mid level to pick. In our case, we're going to use the UVs before all the setting operations we did to break the tiling of the texture. Not see any plug. Now, let's note some dozens of application raises the cost of these algorithms so that we can step. And black on the other one step. We can do that by taking the fraction. We'll have the value of 1 gradient, and we can control them. Can take inspiration from ideas about texture way like this can be extremely helpful to maintain under control.
There's a more efficient way to do this, but
Complex shaders complexity, since it can
see
lead
that
to a lower
working.
number of layer used overall, for example.
then if you now combine macro variation with that, then you have a pretty good tiling.
4 techniques for breaking up tiling artifacts. Last week, we learned about combining materials together to create a landscape material, and then for a bit here. What looks really bad at tiling breakup. So that's what I'm going to go over. Now, the nice thing about that 4 topics are
Yeah, I don't know if it's that much different in Unity.
Located in tier 2. That just has kind of a waste looking block material or CN objects. So we're going to see, and it's 197 our first, our second, 2. Here's my mask, and what we're looking at here kind of large with small white. You can just use ordinary material coordinate, making it UVs in here. Use, and so I'm going to do, and that is I need to fix my normals because anytime I rotate my Y, then the next thing I need to do is kind of break up the tiling further away from the player because this technique works really nice close up, but back here it doesn't work that well. And sample it again, but sample it with larger texture coordinates. So I'm going to copy these 2 texture samples, and we're going to bring them over here. It's like so. I'm going to plug my CR and NOH textures in here, and we'll save that and look at the terrain. These little pebbles actually end up being almost as large as a person. But off in the distance, maybe that isn't as obvious. So let's go ahead and blend these together. I need to add a lurk value. We're going to plug the large values into B, black, mask out a texture further away from the camera. Well, luckily for us, Unreal has a node built into it already for doing just that, and it's called camera depth fade.
I can do this with basically 5 nodes in. Let me permit you.
And also the alpha here. And the camera depth fade wants fade length and fade offset. Fade length is the amount of distance that it takes to.
So now you should. You should now have the permission. Or you send it on Discord. Good idea.
So for fade offset, I'm going to give this a constant value of, and we may adjust these
today. We're going to make a texture that tiles infinitely but never repeats. Let's go.
I never lie.
Okay, so today's pretty big. We've been building up to this tutorial for the past 5 weeks, and today
5 weeks? What
I'm
the
gonna
f
show
is
what all
that?
the effort has been for. We're gonna tile a texture without ever
It's even
repeating
worse
it,
than
so there are
Unreal.
no tiling artifacts, no seams.
You should have the
and
permission
no
for those
repetition.
links now, I swear.
Normally, if I just tile a texture over and over, the result is pretty awful because of the repetition. But with the technique that I'm going to show you today, you haven't I calculate here black to take a bit of roast by this is here. And this is the main thing that we
Another worst
we're
part is I
working on in last
understand
week's
what
video.
he's
So
doing.
let's take a look at the
I could do
results.
this in Blender.
Do like 32 for example.
No
Do
problem.
1, and if it's full sets,
But doing it in Unreal
call it both into
probably needs a trip to some high mountain where an old material master lives, sitting 3 days in front of his house until he sees I'm
So I
worthy
can
of
use this
training.
for terrain. I can use this for texturing really
Something like that.
hexagon grids, edge, and blend into the other one where there isn't an edge. And so with these 3 round value here and grid ID 2, texture sample, and my second texture sample, this into my mask red and my mask green. So now we're no longer multiplying our size by 12, and so it might look kind of weird over here, but it is going to work correctly when we set up our material and use this. And I want the grid focused blue. And then all we have to do is add the results together. So I'll add this one with this one, and then I'll add the result of that with zero tiling at all. Such a neat technique. There are some things we can adjust if we want to.
Okay, scroll
we can play
out.
with our grid size. One thing that might be interesting would be
I want to see the whole thing.
or scale up. Tiles are kind of close together. Material.
That's not even that complicated.
And you want to correctly handle the normals. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. And until next week, I hope you guys have a great week and come back next week.
Don't dare to share the link again. You can do it. Trust in the bot. Here it says you have permission to post a link. Can even permit you again. Try it. We can do that. We can do that. You need to believe.
I'm going to start out with a constant value of about 600. First, so that you can see material here. What good until later, and also a little bit further away.
There's so many ways to tackle this problem, right?
Our third tech are that software to contain our scale, but we're going to break up it very well, but I'm pretty sure that you can do this exact same thing there. Hopefully somebody will take this tutorial and make one and show people how to do this in QuickSim Mixer as well. But I brought in all of the original base textures from Megascans that I downloaded for this material. And just
Hi,
like
Sammy.
CR and NOH tutorial,
How are you doing?
Together, I made a new node here called Make Material that does everything that we did in that previous tutorial kind of under the hood of this node. But what I want to show you here is my basic material.
I mean, we're pretty much done here, right? Like with this. Holy sh- why does the bot hate you specifically? Oh no. Don't be done. Send it on my Discord. Yeah, half of bedrolls.
Hi, welcome again.
Bedrolls, yeah.
Today I'm going to talk about texture variation support in OpenLand.
Ropes, just ropes. It's Blender 3D ropes. We had this.
So it's based on the 4.26 texture variation node, but we have now these tricks to get rid of this dot repetition, and this is just a plain texture. You can clearly see all the texture variation support, and that's gone. Alright, let's get started. Now you're looking at this landscape and you barely see any texture variation because earlier we used some sort of different techniques to get rid of that. For example, here we have a sun positioned in a different angle, and let me go like this and you can see something here. The reason is this landscape has some sort of noise in it, so then with that noise, with this correct sun angle, you won't see any repetition. Alright, so now we get it.
I just wanted to move the camera around in his
then you
video.
can see there are some sort of color variations. This is the material instance of this landscape, and let me keep it over the hacks.
Show me your magic. Show me the spell.
the default for this leg or this on this speed. Oh, let's get and now we can see a different look. We can.
But he's not showing it?
In the seat and try to get a neighbor.
He's just showing how it works?
Everything's gone. Alright,
No.
try to use this texture variation support.
Oh, it's open land, okay.
Sometimes it doesn't work with all these textures. I'll try to use it, and if that works for you, that's it. Alright, see you soon. We'll see you. Bye.
No, it's alright. I mean, it's pretty much the software. $30. Real-time way to modify material spawn grass procedure. Oh damn. Yeah, I need this for another project. Probably. That's alright. Don't you worry. It looks kinda cool. Stop doing this for grass. Alright, prismatic. I will stop doing that for grass. And I also should stop to go on YouTube. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it, right? It's 12. Let's wrap this up. Not the most exciting end we ever had, but informative. So that's what we did today. I will probably look for some trees, prepare the foliage for Sunday, and then on Sunday we can start on decorating things, and then start on the buildings. But first, let's find someone to raid. If any one of you has wishes, you can tell them now and I will raid. Select Shadow Jack. I mean, we have Sean O. We have Arthur. We have Mike 4. Mike 4 is building his own 3D engine, by the way. For anyone who is interested in this. Pick one. I don't know. I need like a randomizer. And okay, then we take it to Arte. Arte Birklaus. Alright. I hope you have fun. Oh, wait. I hope you enjoyed my stream. I hope you have fun. I hope you learned something. For instance, that landscape brushes are really fiddly. I see you all on Sunday when we go on with this level, and I will have prepared a foliage brush so we can draw in some cool trees and stuff. And from there it just gets worse, because then we're back in Blender doing Blender stuff. So as I said, I see you on Sunday. I hope you have a beautiful rest of the week. Don't forget it's Wednesday. Means it's 2 days left till weekend. And I see you all next time. Bye bye.